Hey guys, what's up? It's been a hot minute, but I'm back. Funny fact, about like half a year ago, there was a game jam. I was in this game jam. It was pretty cool, and I recorded the whole thing. In fact, it was also live streamed on my Twitch, which is it's like over there, and it's also in the description if you want to go watch it. It'll probably be streaming later today. And yeah, it was really cool. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna edit this, and it really didn't happen. So. It's been a while. The game jam ended ages ago. So here's a summary of what happened in a really short time lapse because I could not be asked to edit 30 hours of content and like 90 gigabytes of footage. So hope you enjoy. Yeah. What's up? VoiceOver Me's back. Welcome to the WOWIE Jam 4. Today, after a little bit of an intro, we get revealed that the brand new and exciting theme is collaborate with AI. That was a really annoying one, because I was already working on a game with that exact concept, but you can't use a concept you've already started work on. So, we had to come up with a real new game, and fortunately, I'm pretty good at that. So, basically, my quick and exciting new idea is we have a cube that we guide to a goal. Very simple, and has a lot of potential for level design, which is something you really want in a game jam. So we got Trey to work, chucked in some really nice high quality textures from Ambient CG, and then we got a really nice procedural space skybox, just like in my first game jam game that I ever made. But I wanted to do the art style justice. Now we get in some very simple code so that when we click, we can tell the cube where to go. Nothing too complicated, but it makes sure that the game works and there is something for the player to do, because if the AI is too smart, game's no fun. And balancing that is fairly difficult. And also we've got this nice line that tells you what the cube's up to. Here, I set up some AI player states. That way we can manage to have an AI that has like a random wonder mode for when it's entirely lost of what to do, because we can't make it too smart, because then the game just gets boring. Adding in some nice sounds so that the player has something to listen to, except there's like 3 sounds and it still gets annoying anyway, so I guess I failed there, but oh well. Now we add some wind detection so that when the AI actually reaches the goal, the game will actually notice and go to the next scene. Then we add some nice UI so that the player can see how their interactions all will work out with the game. And add a pause menu. And now add a little bit more depth to the level and try and also solve the issue of what happens if the player does inevitably fall out of bounds, which is just to restore it to the map. About 60% of the time spent programming this game was just in programming AI. So if you ever wonder why do games have terrible AI, it's because they're really hard to make. So, you know, have some patience. This stuff ain't easy. We're doing our best out here. this point, we got started on a second level and had to solve a new problem, which was that the player was pathing through the void to the goal, because it could initially see it from spawn, but there was no path, so it couldn't get there. So the simple solution to this problem was just put an invisible box there, because it can't see through invisible objects because of how the video game eyes work. Seems stupid, but it worked. Now we implemented a brand new feature, the button, which turns stuff on and off when the cube goes over it. Pretty simple concept, a little bit of a pain to implement, but we got it working eventually. And we whipped up a neat little main menu. Looks very nice. Did some playtesting for other people's games. Fixed up explanations of how to play the main game. And added a Billy Bob to the level, which was an inside joke that we had throughout the entire voice chat, where one person's main character in their game was the Billy Bob. And it got in like so many games that it actually made it into the highlight video. It's pretty funny. Here we got started on the third level with new and interesting puzzle ideas with my very simple 3 mechanics. Right here is where I had a very simple idea to do a little trolling. The moving platforms will move to the next point in a set of points. However, my funny idea was to make it so that instead of moving you from the main platform to the puzzle, if you clicked it multiple times, it would take you all the way to the end of the puzzle, thus meaning you can skip both puzzles in the game simply by clicking more. Stupid, but funny. Here I showed off the game to all the other people in Discord who we were chilling out with for the entire jam. Very fun. And I got my friend Waterwolf to playtest the game. Shout out to every single person that playtested the games. People are very epic. Playtested some other people's games. I designed this level where the goal is initially hidden and has to be revealed from the bottom of the map by turning on some toggles with the player. And then a user in the Discord chat, Nico, decided that they want to be hidden in one of the levels, so we added them as a hidden out-of-bounds image in this. Then we did a little bit of trolling about Billy Bob in the Discord, normal things, and then finished implementing this new feature, where we have the orange blocks that you cannot guide the AI and just have to rely on the AI's pathing, which kind of sucks at the moment. We'll improve it later, don't worry. Here I work on this level with a simple puzzle where passing over the button deactivates the goal, so you have to hit it from one side and leave on the same side. And also we added a secret gnome, because secret gnome is really funny. And it was totally worth it because we got a whole lot of people with one gnome. Here I whipped together a nice little store page for the itch, link in the description if you want to play it. Here we tried out some more players games. This is the great Billy Bob Training Simulator, the origin of the entire Billy Bob meme. Yeah, I made another level with the orange blocks, but it also has a second troll where you clicking the button more times will allow you to skip the level. Again, thanks to all the awesome people who playtested the game for me. Here, we tried out one of the other contestants' puzzle games. And this is a really hard one. It took me a little while, and also we had to solve the issue where their volume was really high, so no one could actually hear the sound. Here we added a feature called Explore Points, which are basically random travel points, but they're in a generalized order to make the AI seem more intelligent. It doesn't work that great, but it's an additional feature to the game. This is a really awesome game one person made, where they made an entire game that's controlled by voice for their first game jam. Absolutely epic. I've never even done anything like it. It's very cool. Here we added some funnies to the game so that you cannot escape the end transition because people kept trying to run away from it, and it was pretty funny. And we hit another person in the levels. Created some main menu art and just a bit more polish level testing. Played some more of the other competitors' games. Finally, we got to see some other people in chat from the event test out my game. It was very cool, thanks to all the people that tested it. I know I've said that twice, but I appreciate them all so much. It's invaluable data. Here, I added an FPS counter because one of the other people said that it was too hard to do, so I added it in 5 minutes because I thought it was funny. Added a nice end credits with a little bit of time to spare. Got the nice cat cam in the bottom right. It's my kitty cat cry, she's very cute. And because we have more time, we added in a few more levels. I stayed up all night for the last night because why not? It's funny. Hit some more people in the levels. And finally tested some other players' games. So we've only got less than 2 hours remaining. Put up the timer in the top left, thanks you future me, past me. Finalize some more levels. Chat asked for a dog level. I agreed to this. I shouldn't have agreed to it. It's the worst level in the game because it's entirely RNG. And I think it's actually frame rate dependent. The lower frame rate makes the level easier. So that's funny. Got some more chat testing. played even more games from other contestants. Yeah, I added a new feature where there are special orbs in that level, which the player flying into them as the free camera actually changes the level instead of the AI pressing them. Then we uploaded the game, and that is the game jam. And then we just got to playing some other people's games, which is very fun. Congratulations to everyone who entered and everyone who submitted. It was absolutely awesome to participate and we got to play games. Very good. So yeah, that was the game jam. It was very, very fun. Had a lot of fun doing it. It was a great time. And now, for the thing that really matters, the all-important scores. So, we shall head in and check them out. So, we've got our awesome itch page. Did a good job of it. Don't really know if we got a good look at it in the video because it was very time-lapsed. I've been working on this video all day because I suck at editing. But if you're still watching, thank you. I appreciate it. And yeah. Bum-ba-dum-bum. We got 7th place for topic. Let's go. Very epic. Very awesome. Thanks to the 13 people that helped me get 7th place, which is in the top 10, which is considered good, considering there were 1,000 games. That's a lot of games. 1,005 people. And yeah, thanks to Jonas Tarola for hosting the WOWIE Gem 4. Very epic. And thanks to everyone who chilled out in the voice call. So, yeah, that's the whole deal. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out cool stuff like this when I do it, I'll probably be doing it more often live. So, description down there. Go check it out there. If you want to play the game, again, description. Go check it out there. Oh yeah, and if you want to see like the whole video thing, like the entire thing is still available in all 30 hours or whatever. That's also down there. So yeah. Thanks for watching if you're still here, and have a great day. I'll see you all next time in 2 years. Just kidding. Hopefully, maybe, who knows.